हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू द चैनल उपेशा जीके क्लासेस। तो आज मैं आपको 25 से 26 मई 2025 के टॉप 20 इंपोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस कराने वाली हूँ, जो आपके एग्जामिनेशन के लिए बहुत ज्यादा हेल्पफुल और इम्पोर्टेंट होने वाला है। सो वीडियो को एंड तक देखिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो चलिए लेक्चर शुरू करते हैं। Question 1. India's first 9,000 horsepower HP electric freight locomotive engine was dedicated to the nation at which railway production unit? Correct answer option D. Dahod Electric Loco Factory, Gujarat. Question 2. How many members of parliament have been selected to receive the Sansad Ratna Awards 2025? Correct answer option C. 17. Question 3. The Election Commission of India (ECI) has capped the maximum number of electors per polling station at dash to reduce queue length during future elections. Correct answer option C. 1200. Question 4. According to the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) May 2025 bulletin, India's net foreign direct investment (FDI) in financial year 2024 to 25 plunged to roughly. Correct answer option A. $353 million. Question 5. The ITA Chalo Abhiyan, aimed at boosting youth skilling and employment, was launched by which state government? Correct answer option B. Uttar Pradesh. Question 6. The 16th Asiatic Lion Population Census 2025 recorded dash lions in Gujarat, a 32% rise since 2020. Correct answer option D. 891. Question 7. The Diary of a Cricketer's Wife, a very unusual memoir released in April 2025, is written by. Correct answer option B. Pooja Pujara. Question 8. India commemorates Commonwealth Day each year on. Correct answer option C. 24 May. Question 9. The 5-day Shway Lily Festival 2025, marking the 75th anniversary of Manipur State Flower, was celebrated in Dash District. Correct answer option A. Ukhrul, Manipur. Question 10. The 24th Council of Ministers meeting of the Indian Ocean Rim Association (IORA) was virtually hosted in May 2025 by which chairing country? Correct answer option B. Sri Lanka. Question 11. The newly recorded butterfly species Euthalia malaccana was spotted for the first time in India in which state? Correct answer option B. Arunachal Pradesh. Question 12. The multi-purpose Polavaram project recently in news is being built on which river? Correct answer option B. Godavari. Question 13. The Surface Water and Ocean Topography SWOT satellite is a joint Earth observation mission of NASA and. Correct answer option C. CNES, Centre National Études Spatiales, France. It is a France space agency. Question 14. The critically endangered flightless parrot kakapo is endemic to which country? Correct answer option B. New Zealand. Question 15. The spiced skin Sustainability in spice sector through progressive, innovative and collaborative interventions for export development is implemented under which ministry? Correct answer option B, Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Question 16. Ahead of World Environment Day 2025, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change launched which nationwide mass mobilization campaign? Correct answer option B, One Nation, One Mission and Plastic Pollution. Question 17. Sagar Bhavan and Polar Bhavan, India's first dedicated ocean and polar research complexes, were inaugurated at which institute? Correct answer option B, National Center for Polar and Ocean Research, Goa. Question 18. Who won India's first gold medal women's 10-meter air pistol at the ISSF International Shooting Sport Federation Junior World Cup 2025 in Schwal, Germany? Correct answer option C, Kanak Budhwar. Question 19. Which court reinstated the requirement of a minimum 3 years legal practice to be eligible for the civil judge junior division examination? Correct answer option C, Supreme Court of India. Question 20. Tourise unveiled by Saudi Arabia in May 2025 is a global platform and upcoming summit focusing on the future of which sector? Correct answer option B, tourism.